This Euro Top Queen mattress blends high performance with low maintenance features to make you one happy camper, night after night. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 12 inches profile. Crafted with a 638/15 gauge pocketed coil system, 1.5 inches firm convoluted quilt foam, 5 inches gel memory lumbar support foam, and additional layers of high-density form for support and softness. Number 2. Stain-treated cover. Get set to sleep like a king or queen with this memory foam mattress, offering the peace of mind of a luxury nano stain-resistant and waterproof cover. Number 3. Queen-size comfort. This comfortably priced single mattress measures 59 inches width by 79 inches depth by 12 inches height and is compatible with most queen bed frames. Bed foundation, box spring, and frame available sold separately. Number 4. Ready for instant enjoyment. Arrives in a box. Simply unbox, cut the protective wrap, unroll and watch the mattress expand. Number 5. Quick expansion. Mattress is safe to sleep on immediately but can take 72+ hours for any residual odors from packaging to dissipate and for the mattress to completely expand based on ambient room temperature, humidity, air pressure and ventilation. Number 6. Direct from the manufacturer. Ashley Furniture goes the extra mile to package, protect and deliver your purchase in a timely manner. Number 7. Buy with confidence. Designed and manufactured by Ashley Furniture Industries. The trusted source for stylish furniture, lighting, rugs, accessories, and mattresses. For every taste and budget. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.